As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin gave us here a green candle. Those days we saw a red, a green, a red, a green, one day red. Same thing, that market's not going to nowhere. We got here that inside bar, that red candle here, and that going to how many days, and also we are in the same range of that inside bar, first, second, third, fourth, and today the 6th day, and also we are in the same range here. That means that Bitcoin not going to go to nowhere, and also we're still waiting either the market to break down here, also we're going to catch a short. I'm talking here about position trade. If it's breaking here above, we are going to go more long with it. So also we're still waiting here for scalping and day trading. Also we're milking that cow like how people they are in our Discord or our community Discord is saying. We're milking that cow every day. We're taking some milk from it. And even you can be a part of our Discord community, my friend, if you want to chat with us to get education stuff there. By the way guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible. And you, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our private Discord community where we give a live update about market, for swing trading, for day trading. Every day we're milking that cow. Even you can do that, my friend. Let me show you yesterday trade, because today video we're going to teach you why also we're catching those trades. Let me show it to you. That the trade internet yesterday, guys, as you see it even here in our Discord. Is it yesterday? By the way, that one inside our private Discord community is a place where we share trade, not only me, even other members, but I'm not allowed to show it here, even here as you see it, guys. That trade here, yeah, internet yesterday, is it a long in Bitcoin? And as you see here, we make or we milk a little bit from it. So even you can join us and start milking with us. Of course, if you are interested, my friend, how you can be a part of our private Discord. So simple and easy, my friend. Down below in the description of that video, you're going to find the link of our Patreon. As you see it, guys, here, that one here, exactly is it in the first two lines. You click at it. You're going to land here in our Patreon. You will not see nothing. You need to click at that one here, see member option. It's going to open for you 3 member option here. We got the first one, that one here, VIP member, elite member, and gold member. To know the difference between each and every one, you need to read the description here, or you can contact me to explain to you more. By the way, that one here, that VIP member, it's not available for all members, only for certain people. But that two here, elite and gold member, they are available for everyone. How you can join us? Very simple, as I told you. You click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our private Discord community, where we're going to share with you live update or real-time update about market condition, about the framework of us, behind the scene, a lot of things, my friend. Even the trades also we catch, we can share it with you there. So if you are interested and you want to scale up, you trade and scale more, you can join us. But of course, if you are interested, if you're facing any problem to join us, or you got some question, you can contact me either in the free Discord, in the free Telegram, here in Patreon. Even here in Patreon, there is a free version. You come here, you contact me. I'm available to chat with you and to explain to you more. And if you got any problem, I'm ready to solve it for you, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the market gave us here a green candle. What the view today is going to give us another red candle, because also we are not going to go to nowhere. And also we said the last or the past Friday, guys, we said the market not going to go to nowhere. And let me show you the zone or the levels where I told you all the week we're going to spend it here. That's what's happening, guys. The market is not going to go to nowhere. Maybe in the weekend we can see some moves, but for now, no, my friend. That market doesn't got any volume those days. Everybody's in holiday. You know what the view? I'm still saying the same thing, guys. Maybe that market from here going to dump to touch that zone here. That number one scenario. Second scenario, maybe the volatility of volume came and we're going to push it more higher. Even that one, it's possible. Us, we don't care. If it's going to go more higher, we catch it. If it's going to dump, we catch it. That's our job. That's how us we do it, guys. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Let me show it to you. which is that one here. Here in daily, guys, in the Bitcoin, the 20 moving average, he break above the 50 moving average. That very bullish sign here in daily, guys. Let's see now, because if you're looking at it, all of them now, they are telling you are in a bullish sign. Let's see if that market going to pump more higher, because the 100 it's breaking and the 20 it's breaking the 50 today. It means all of them, they are going parallel now. Let's see if the market going to go more higher. So I think I explained everything. We don't want to make that video too long here. Now let's go into see the greed and fair index, liquidity heat map, Bitcoin ETF, and the coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. We started here by fair and greed index. That one here, if you're seeing with me here today, the greed is high, guys, 67. That's, man, you need to be careful about that. Also, we're talking about it. We show you in yesterday video, but you need to be careful about that. If you want extra and in-depth analysis, we told you what to do. Now, that one here is very high greed, guys. So I think picture is very, very clear here. Now we're going to see Bitcoin ETF, what it's telling us today. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. Look at it here. Yesterday, BlackRock, they bought 1.51k Bitcoin. As you see, they keep on buying. I don't know what they are going to do by that Bitcoin. Today, what happened? The only one who buy today is Fidelity. They buy only 44 Bitcoin plus that BRRR. They bought 34. The total Bitcoin being bought today is 78. Even the market telling us that there is no volume today. But let's see BlackRock, what they have done today. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So I think I explained everything here. So BlackRock, they keep on accumulating. There is no selling, guys. Let's see what they are going to do by that Bitcoin. They are accumulating every day. Now let's going to see liquidity heat map, what it's telling us. Here we are, guys, liquidity heat map. As you see it here, we got a lot of liquidity down here and a lot above here. Those ones with yellow here, it's liquidity high, guys, which is high. Now what the view? The market going to liquidate those ones, both of them, because that market doesn't got volume those days. Let's see in here, the volume here, 59 million, and here above, 56. That's where the market is going to fall down to liquidate those ones down here, before he pumped to liquidate those ones above. But people that are with me, they know me, I don't look in here at 24 hours. Always I go from 24 hours to weekly like that to see the clear picture there. Let me show you those things together. Here in the weekly, same thing, guys. We don't got a clear direction. We don't got only like liquidity above here. That's when the market going to go directly to it. No, even here in the weekly, we got a not clear direction, because if you came here, we got liquidity above here and we got down here, and all of them, they fighting for their position. The only thing that liquidity here, exactly at 110k, is it higher compared to those ones down here, and all those ones, they are going to be liquidated, guys. There is actually a trading strategy. We teach it inside our private Discord about that liquidity heat map here. If you want, even you can join us. Actually, it's free. You can join us and you learn it if you want. Now what the view, that one is going to be liquidated, and those ones down here, everything is going to be liquidated, guys. Now let's going to see the coming news of today. Coming news of today, guys. As you see that the news we got today, we got FOMC meeting minute, 10-year note action, and crude oil inventory. That the news we got today. Those ones, there is no one of them is going to affect the market, so there is nothing to be worried about. Even that FOMC meeting minute, it doesn't affect the market. Over here, our friend, the table of odds, us we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, we're telling us, guys. All US market or US indices, yesterday, they closing, look at it, the Nasdaq, it closed the day green, the SP 500 closed the day red, the Dow Jones, same thing. But if you came here and you see the percentage of move, very small, 0.03, 0.07, 0.37, that's when the market doesn't move. Our friend down here, the VIX, look at it, guys, 16.81. That's when foreign currency is very low. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Me, I tell it to you, we haven't top up. It's left for it more room to go more higher, and that's what else we're doing, guys. We'll let it run till the top. Down here, look at it. Even the DXY, it fall down. I don't know why that Bitcoin doesn't go up, but everything is possible, guys. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, Bitcoin, it fell down. It tested here the 20 moving average as every time. Now it came back again. And we got here a smaller downtrend here. We're going to show it to you when we reach into smaller time frames. Let's see which direction that Bitcoin going to catch now. Either from here going to break and to go more higher, or from here going to fall down. Even that one, it's possible. So as we are ready for all scenarios, levels or zones, you need to look close at them for today, guys. Let me show it to you. As you see, we don't got something new here. We got that level or that zone at 111,959. We got that zone here, 106,990. And we got that zone here, 102,603. So those ones, the three levels, you need to look close at them. How is that market going to react when it touch one of them? Everything is very clear here, guys. Now, let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Bitcoin here in 4 hours. Look at that, what we got here. We got that triangle like that. That one here is a very clear triangle. Actually, it's not only in Bitcoin, it's in all of them. Which means maybe that Bitcoin going to do the same thing like how it happened here. Even that one is possible, guys. That for long, for short, what we got here. For short, you can come to that one here and you connect it like that. But that one going to be very far away. You can come only to that one here and you do it like that. And it's going to give you here like a triangle. Even that one is possible. And you wait in which direction that market going to break. If it's breaking down here, enter a short. If it's breaking above here, enter a long. If you want to learn, my friend, if you want to learn new skills about trading, very strict risk management, you want to join us, we told you what to do, we show you in the start of that video, but it's up to you. Only our videos here in YouTube, they are going to teach you a lot of stuff about technical analysis. Yes, it's taking time. It's not a magic thing. You're going to use it and you're going to be profitable. No, my friend, it takes time, and that market, it takes a lot of time to learn those things. If you want to be discussing with me, to chat to me, we told you what to do. I think picture is very clear here, guys. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here. Bitcoin here in 4 hours. It's still sideways here. There is not going to go to nowhere. And is it every time he came back, it touched here, those moving averages, there is pump. Now let's see if it's going to break for us the downtrend here. That's mean more going above. If it fall down and breaking down here, that's another story. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours. 100, it pushing more higher. It's telling us there is a huge trend coming, guys. Even if we try to add here the Bollinger Band, let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, even the Bollinger Band is telling you here there is no volatility, same like how it happened here. So there is a squeeze coming, guys. There is a squeeze coming. We don't know which direction it's going to be. Either it's going to be down or either it's going to be above like how it happened here based on the past. So there is a squeeze coming, guys. We don't know exactly which direction and you need to be careful. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, same thing. As you see it, it's still every time he touch here that wall in it pump. Let's see now if it's going to go more higher. And look at the downtrend I show you in the chart. Is it that one here? Exactly, guys. You see it here. That's why also using the RSI, because RSI follow very close to the chart. Look at it here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. We back it here to that channel today. By the way, the other channel, go and subscribe for it. It's going to be like a backup channel. But of course, if you want, if you don't want to miss our future videos, or you can even join the free Discord. If anything happen, we can show you there. Link of everything is it down in the description of that video. Here in the Ethereum, guys, there is a lot of things happening here today, actually. We still have here that uptrend like that. Also, we still waiting it. Here, we can make even here like a up channel, but it will not be a up channel. It's going to be like that, like a wedge. It's going to be very clear wedge here. We haven't touched the top of that wedge here. That means the Ethereum maybe is going to go more higher to touch the top of that wedge here. Also, we don't care. We catch it no matter where it goes. Those days, we don't trade the Ethereum. I will explain to you why. Because the Ethereum is stuck in a very stronger zone, guys. Look at it here in 4 hours. Look here how many times it's being touched. I'm going to show it to you in daily. You see it here. That way also we don't trade it those days because it's impossible to enter from a very stronger zone. But the only things, if you never ever trade, that's another story. Now what the view? The view now, we're waiting if it's going to break here. That's going to be like a head and shoulder. Even that one we showed it to you before. Like that big head and shoulder. That for long, for short, if it's breaking down here, that uptrend like that, if it fall down and break it here, you need to catch a short, my friend. That's the only things we got here in the Ethereum. We got something else here in the Ethereum in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in the Ethereum in daily, guys, same thing. We told you it's need the Ethereum to come back to break that last high here. Let's see if the Ethereum breaking that last high here, guys, is going to pump. That way also we're telling you if you want to catch it, you can join us and we're going to give you very nice interest in that coin, my friend. But it's up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, he tried to give us here like a bearish divergence here, as you see it here. Should us we enter a short based on that, because look at it, guys. That way me I avoid to enter in it. You see it? Very stronger zone here. So if it's breaking down here, we need to catch a short, and that's what us we doing every time. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, same thing. It's staying here. We got here that triangle. It actually is the same like the Bitcoin, that the triangle here or symmetric triangle here. That one here. If it's breaking above here, you need to catch a long, my friend. If it fall down and breaking down here, you need to catch a short. That's the only thing I can tell you here. No matter how long it's staying inside the triangle here, there is no real move. That way, even the Sol, as we avoiding to trade it, I'm going to show you in daily what we got here in the Sol, because in daily we got something very important. But before we reach in there, here the Sol. In 4 hours, guys, you see the triangle here, what it's giving you. A lot of times it's being touched. Actually, it's need to break either above or down here. Till now, or no matter how long it's staying here, there is no clear direction. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here in the Sol. As you see, the Sol is stuck between those moving averages here in daily. So there is no clear direction. That's why also we're avoiding to trade it, guys. We're still waiting a clear direction. It's need to break the 50 moving average for us to catch along going to the 200 moving average. For short, it's need the Sol to break the 120 moving average for us to know that Sol is going to give us another low lower than the previous one. Look at it, guys. That low, maybe the one high, maybe it's going to give us another low lower than the one. So us, we still waiting which direction that Sol going to take. Another very, very important thing, that very stronger that zone here where we are. Look at it here. That way us, we avoiding to trade that Sol those days. But we got other coins, we trading them. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the Sol. Here we are, guys, in our indicator here in the Sol. We are stuck here in that zone here, so there is no clear direction. That way also we are avoiding to trade those days in the Sol exactly. And Bitcoin also we catching very nice trade as day trading. Now let's go into see the XRP what they're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP, a lot of nice news, but it's not going to go to nowhere because the XRP is struggling till now to break that last high here. Yes, it touched it a lot of times, but till now it couldn't break it. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours, guys. That's the only thing I can tell you here. We got here, based on technical analysis here, a big head and shoulder here, as you see it in front of you. Shall we base our entry on it? Yes, of course, if it's breaking above here, you need to catch along. If it's not, and that's possible, guys, we got here that uptrend like that. If it's getting broke here, we need to catch a short like that, guys. So we are ready for all scenarios. If it's going to go more higher, we are going to catch it. If it's going to fall down, we're going to catch it. That's our job, guys. Yes, we're still waiting, and we wait a lot those days because us now we don't day trade a lot. We're using different approach now, but when it came, we making or we milking that cow very, 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 very well. Even you can join us and start milking with us. Of course, if you are interested, we got something else here in the XRP, guys. Let me show it to you. Here in the XRP, guys, same thing. Look at it. We touch here the 200 moving average. Now let's see what's going to happen. If that one going to come back to test the 200 moving average, and we're going to use that ACT system. That's possible, guys, because that's what the market makers they do every time they came back, then they push it down. That's possible. Second scenario, going to come to break that 200 moving average here, because the XRP here, it's look promising now. That the only things I can tell you, the only wall was still up in front of us is that 200 moving average. If we break it, we'll come to the planet or new planet. Now let's go into see XRP what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the XRP here. Our indicator, look at it here. We show you we got here a bearish divergence here. That one, we showed it to you in yesterday video. By the way, it's not in that channel. Is it in the backup channel? We show you that one here. We told you guys we got here a bearish divergence. It's maybe it's going to break down and to fall down. That's possible. Now what the view? Me, I told it's need to break that one here. Based on our indicator down here, guys, in the XRP, it's look like we are in a bull market. Let's wait what's going to happen in the coming days. I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, also we show you, we catch in here, that red here, from here till above here. It's hitting for us, the targets here. Now what else we looking at? We show you before in that one, we show you we catch in that one here, exactly like that. We enter a short from here till down here. We enter a long from here till above here. Actually, that one, it was in the thumbnail of yesterday video, but some of you don't like to watch in our video, so to complete it, that's possible. Now what we got here that uptrend like that. If that one breaking down here again, we're going to catch another short like that, guys. That's what us we doing every day. Why? Because us we got here like a up channel, we touch the top of it here, and there is no power to push more higher. So if it's breaking down here, we're going to catch a short and we're going to milk it again. That's the only things us we do, and that's what we do every day. We told you, if you want even you to benefiting from those types of analysis when it's happening real-time update, you can join the private Discord community. We show you in the start of the video how to join us. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it gave us here a bearish divergence here, the one here. Should we base our entry on it? People, they are with me, they know me, I don't enter based on indicator. Even if I got a bearish or a bullish divergence, me, I wait the price action. The only price action now we got here is it that uptrend here plus a small double bottom here or double top there. That one is going to be broke before you see that video. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. And please, guys, support us by just smashing that like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.